Hey guys, welcome back to 247 Tech Talk. Today, I've got a mystery box from UGREEN. They told me they were sending this to me. All I've got is this white box. So it's time to dig in, see what's inside, and see what it does. Check it out. So there we go. Got this white box from UGREEN. Kind of don't know what it is, what's in it. We won't waste time. They have some new products that they're bringing to market, and I guess this is advanced copy. It's got no markers whatsoever. It's a white box. I opened it up, not much in there, but something right here in the white soft paper that they usually have. Let's open the rest of the box. There's nothing else in here, no instructions or anything. So obviously, like I said, this is an advanced copy of whatever this is. And let's open it up. If I think what it is, because they told me what they may be sending. Yes, this is the 160 watt UGREEN GAM charger, right? It comes with two USB-C ports, USB-A ports, and their retractable USB-C cable, magnetic. And on the other side, it's got the our AC plug. This is a display screen. Don't let's waste any time. This doesn't need to be a long unboxing and review. Let's check this out. I grabbed my laptop. This is a laptop that I reviewed before. It seems to always demand a lot of power. So I'm saying if it can start by powering this, I'm good to go. The wall wart that comes with this is a pretty hefty one, right? You can see, this is 160 watt wall wart that comes with this laptop to power it. This is 160 watts. So let's see what's going on here. I've got an AC plug here somewhere. I can plug it in. All right, give it some power. And the screen comes on, says UGREEN, says 0 watts. So there's nothing right now pulling from it. And as you can see, this does not appear to be a touch screen. It's just a display screen. So let's take the power cable. Let's take it out of its manufacturer's power wart. Let's plug it in here where the laptop powers, and let's plug it into this, one of these UGREEN. It immediately said 1 watt. I'll try to keep that up so that you can see. Move this over a little. Says 1 watt. It's kind of cloudy, isn't it, to see it? And let's power this on. It is powering on. Immediately it goes to 18 watts. G2, it says. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe you can, if I put it in front of the camera. This laptop sometimes takes quite a bit to boot it. I don't know why, actually. But this laptop, oddly enough, I've always found it to be a beast to start. But it's starting up, and now this says 34 watts. You can see from the angle at least that the laptop is coming on. It is powering up. We had 44 watts. We had 58 watts. The laptop is up. I'm going to put my hand over here so I can put in my code. Oh, it wants my finger. I forgot this one has a fingerprint, and it does. Okay, and it's running now at 54 watts, 60 watts. The laptop is up. So you can power and charge your laptop, and it is charging. You can't see that from the top on the bar, but it is charging. Everything is loading. So now we have another USB here, right? So let me grab a cable. I'm actually going to grab a cable you will see later on this channel. This is a USB-C cable from Silkland that I will be reviewing. And, since it comes as just this packaging, I guess I will take it out now and put it back. I probably shouldn't do that, but why not, right? You get to see it in action twice. This came from Silkland. You will see me review the cable. I'm sorry it was not in the shot. You will see me review this cable. It came from Silkland. It comes in a simple envelope, right? It does come with I'm sorry, I'm dropping things today. I'm going to the beach today. So it comes with this book. This is one of these things that's supposed to be high speed, and it's incredibly made. You can hang probably weights from it. But I just wanted to do this simple test, take off the protectors for a moment, which I'll put back on. We have this power brick going. It says right now just 10 watts is pulling. I'll put, actually, you know what? Let's leave the silk lamp. I'm sorry. You guys, you're getting a whole lot in one video. Silk lamp deserves its own video. What I will do to make this even better, hang on a second. I'm going to grab my iPad, an older iPad Pro, right? And I'm going to use the retractable cable, which I completely forgot as I was doing this. That's in here. Use the retractable cable, so I didn't have to go find another cable. Take it out and pop it in. So now we got the tablet going, and we just gave the iPad juice. It jumped up to, it gave me two displays now. I don't know if you can see that. One says 16 watts, and the other one says, the total says 32.7 as this is coming on. So what it's doing now, it's splitting the screen and showing me each device that's plugged in. And as you can see, the iPad is up. I'm trying to think of if there's anything else, if there's another device I have. It would need to be I have another USB-C. So hang on. Let's get this popping the way we can. I have a flashlight. I have a flashlight that charges USB-C. Now we know we've got the laptop going, we've got the iPad going. I don't want to mess up the screen, even though it's pretty strong. Now I'm going to plug in the flashlight to the next USB-C to charge. And what has happened is, if you can see, the screen is now divided into three. And it's telling me the total, and it's telling me the power draw from each one of these. So right now it's charging the flashlight. It's powering the tablet, and it's got the, let me make sure this is, so you can see that this is on. Where is it? And will it do my Face ID to make this easy? We take this out of the shot, and it's got the iPad going, right? It's saying total 29.8 watts, and it's pulling 39 for the laptop, 1.5 tablet, and 11 for the flashlight. So it's powering all three of these, and it's giving you the power of each one. Like I said, this is not touch screen, but it's telling you when you're gonna reach your power capacity. So just by looking at this and what you have plugged in, you can determine if you're out and about, you need to charge something, what else you can plug in. All right. Quality is great. It's not warm. It's just like maybe room temperature warm so far. I'll probably get higher than that depending on what you're pulling and how much you're charging. My laptop is almost at 100%, so it's probably pulling less. But I tell you, this is a great wall war. It's not that big. I'm gonna plug these out and give you some sort of final specs about it. Um, I'm gonna shut this down. All right, we're gonna plug this out, and I've already shown you everything. I just want to give you some final notes on it, and we'll be done. And I'm going to plug out everything, put that power cable back. I had that set up before, as you can already tell, to do this. Here's a retractable cable. I'm gonna let go back in. Now, the reason I want to do this to wrap up this video is, you're wondering, well, from the video I can't tell how big is it. It's 3.2 inches in length, looks like 2.8 inches in width, and just like 1.4 inches in depth, right? So that's what you've got. I don't have my scale here to show you the weight, but I can promise you it's not heavy. the UGREEN 160-watt GaN digital display, LED display charger with retractable USB-C. Another fantastic product from UGREEN. Looking forward to what comes next. So, hope you enjoyed that one. Like, share, subscribe. Until the next one, 247 Tech Talk out.